Indian street foods are very popular worldwide. Strolling down the streets and lanes of Mumbai, you will come across several scrumptious street foods. Masala Pav is one among them. Hello viewers, welcome back to another video of Passion to Cook. Myself, Shruti Shammi. Today I am going to share with you the street style Masala Pav recipe. For that I have taken a flat surface tawa or griddle. Add 2 tablespoons of butter. Once it starts to melt, add in 1 cup of freshly chopped onions. Saute for a few seconds, then add in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Once the onions turn slightly translucent, add in 1 cup of chopped bell pepper. Cook for a few minutes, then add in 1 cup of chopped tomatoes. Once the veggies turn nice and soft, gently mash them using a potato masher. Next, for the seasoning, I have taken 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of Pav Bhaji Masala, and 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Combine all the ingredients, add butter or oil if required, cook for few more minutes, then add half cup of water. Salt as required. Combine and mash well. Once done, bring all the masala to the edges of the pan. The remaining space I will be using to toast the pav or the bun. Chop some coriander leaves and sprinkle over the masala. Melt some butter to toast the buns. Slit the pav buns, leaving one edge intact. Place the buns over the melted butter and toast them on both the sides. Spread masala at the center of the bun. Slightly coat the masalas on both sides of the bun to give it a well-flavored appearance. Now we are done with the buns. I am also placing a cheese slice at the center of each bun. This stage is optional. Go for it if you are a cheese lover. So I have shown you the easy way of making masala pav at home. Try this out if you are a street food lover. Don't forget to leave your comments and thank you for watching.